Okay, so we just drew this one. What if we wanted something a little bit more exciting, or decide we don't need all this extra material in here? It's just extra weight that our balloon has to accelerate. So why don't we create a new part studio, and why don't we make this one a little bit different? And what I'm going to do is use the mirror tool more extensively this time. So I'm going to make a car with about the same dimensions, but eye-shaped, so that it doesn't have all that material in the middle. I'm going to I'm going to sketch on my top plane, and I'm going to grab my line tool, and I'm going to go. Let's see, I'm going to go half of 150 this way, so 75 this way, because it's 150 long, right? And so this is going to be half of that. Half of 150 is 75, and the total width was 75. So this will be 37.5. Or if I don't like doing math, I do. If I want my total width to be, if I want my total width to be 75, I'm going to do 75 divided by 2, and it'll just do the math for me. And I'm just going to come in some arbitrary amount. I don't know, maybe 20 millimeters, and accept. And I'm going to come down maybe another 20. These numbers are variable. You can mess around with this yourself. And I'm going to go right back to here. And that brings me, so I've got 1/4 of an eye-shaped car here. And I could keep drawing stuff, but I'd rather just use the mirror tool. A mirror line. Well, first I'm going to use this mirror line, and I'm going to flip that. Select entities be mirrored. I don't know why it didn't go. Let's see. Boom. That went. That went. That guy and this one. Why didn't this one go? There it goes. There it goes. Right. Good. And so I'm done with that. And turn off mirror. And let's see if we turn mirror back on. Select mirror line. I'm going to choose this plane right here. I chose the wrong one by accident. No, I don't want that. How do I get out of here? Click that and click it back on. I mirror line that plane right there. There we go. I'm going to look right at it, and I'm going to mirror this, 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 this. Oh, I missed that guy. That one, and there's an eye-shaped car, which is fully symmetric. That's why we use mirror. Good. Let's extrude that to 3 mils. 3, and bam. And again, so we cut out a lot of unnecessary mass here, so it'll be a little bit faster than the previous one we drew. But let's go ahead and look right at the top, and let's draw walls, but let's only draw half of them. In fact, no, let's just draw 1/4 of the walls, so we can again use mirror tool to save ourselves some time here. Right, so what I'm going to do is grab my corner rectangle, and I'm going to go here to here. Gosh, it's just as easy to go down here, right? Let's just save ourselves some time here. I'm going to make that too wide, and it's the full width of the vehicle. Corner tool. I'm going to go from here to here, and it's 20 by 2. And I'm going to go from here to here, and it's 20 by 2. And same thing here, all the way down. Let's go. Let's undo that. Let's go. Let's get on this line here. Make it stay yellow, and let's go full width for rigidity all the way down, and it's 150 by 2. And let's see how close we can get to what we want now by using mirror, and we may have to come back in there. But first of all, let's do this mirror line and get this business over to the other side. How we do it over there looks good, and great. And now let's go to turn mirror off, turn mirror back on. Let's use this mirror line, and let's get this over to the other side, and this one too. And these guys are not over there yet, and these two There we go. And what else do we have to do? Oh, these two here and these two here. And I think we can go ahead and extrude what we just drew. Do we miss anything? I don't think so. We look good. It looks good, but I don't want 25 mils. I want like 6. I'm going to go 7. Lucky 7. Yeah, that looks great. And that was pretty quick with the mirror command. I just have to draw some circles for the axles. Sketch on that face. And again, we can use mirror again to help us with this, right? So sketch on that face. Let's, oh, I chose extrude somehow, sorry. This face, sketch, and circle tool. And watch this. If I mouse over, the center lights up yellow. And if I mouse this way, nothing happens unless I touch this top line. Then it'll light up at the center too. And again, going down, there's the center of each. Or you could do the math and use the dimension tool, but this is easier. And let's draw that 4mm hole for the axle. And let's extrude. Well, actually, before we extrude, let's mirror. Let's mirror what? Well, let's choose our mirror line. We're going to mirror that hole, that circle. We want that right here. So this is our mirror. And what do we want to mirror? I chose the line. Now let's choose the circle. And there it shows up exactly where we want it since it's all perfectly symmetric. And we click extrude. We remove the material. Not only 25mm would only take it through a little bit of the thing. We want to go all the way through. So not blind, but through all. And bang. And I've got a better looking car now even. Awesome. Here we go. We're off and running, people. Over and out.